I'm Judy, and we are in the Savoring Today kitchen making creamy garlic mustard chicken. This is so simple to make on a busy weeknight, but it's also one of our great make-ahead meals. So it's a simple thing to put together. It freezes great, so if you're gonna make it, always make a double batch so you can have a quick meal anytime you really want it. This chicken is super tender, and we're going to show you how to cook chicken so that it is not overcooked. These are chicken breasts. This is beautiful creamy mustard sauce on the chicken. Perfection. Let's get cooking. Chicken breast usually has a thicker part to it that we like to flatten just to make it an even thickness so that it cooks more evenly and will prevent just the smaller ends from drying out when cooked. I like to season chicken before I cook it, letting that salt penetrate the meat for 20 to 30 minutes at a minimum, but longer is always better. Here we're going to add a little bit of avocado oil to the skillet and start browning the chicken breasts. Ooh, look how nice and brown that is. Getting a nice sear on the chicken will give it a beautiful flavor, but we also want to make sure that it's not overcooked and remains moist. So we use an instant read thermometer to make sure that the chicken is cooked to 155 degrees. When the chicken is cooked, we'll then add the butter and onions to the skillet and let those onions cook to caramelize so that they're rich in flavor. Oh, it smells so good. You're gonna love how easy this sauce comes together. And it's so easy to customize. You can increase or decrease the mustards depending on your preference, or even use a gourmet mustard, something with truffles in it, really making the sauce your own. The sauce will thicken as it cooks, and you'll know it's done when you turn your spoon over and you wipe the back of it, and you can tell that the sauce now clings to the back of the spoon or just coats the spoon. Now it's time to add the chicken back in, sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley, and you're ready to serve.